In this tutorial I will show you how to allow Instagram access to your photos or your camera roll. So if I open Instagram app and want to upload post or story, and this error appears, then you need to close the Instagram app and open phone settings. Scroll all the way down. Find Instagram in here and tap on it. Tap on the Photos section. Here are 3 different options from which I can choose. This selected photos allow only to show the photos and videos I selected. You can select all photos to allow to select all the photos from your camera roll. That's how you can allow Instagram to have access to your camera photos.